is the relation between science, philosophy, and a game like chess. Being a good philosopher or a good scientist is rather like someone who is going to add a new square to a chessboard. I mean that until we keep playing by the rules, the chessboard of 8 by 8, we're gonna become probably the best player ever, but we're not gonna discover anything, because everything we will do will be just inside a chessboard. And science and philosophy are not about being inside anything that has been defined a priori. Science and philosophy are rather about going beyond everything that has been known, everything that has been said, everything that has been understood so far. And in order to do that, we need to get beyond the constraint, the limits of a chessboard. Just to make my point as clear as possible, I took with me a real chessboard. So let me put the chessboard on the table. So this is a chessboard, as you can see, and this is a wonderful game. There are smart players that are the smartest people around. But as long as they keep playing on this game, they're not going to find anything new. And that's why a game like chess, as smart as it is not a good metaphor for science. Neither it is for philosophy. True science, and all the more true philosophy, are not like playing chess on a chessboard, remaining constrained inside the rules of this game. True science and true philosophy are rather like someone who adds new squares to the chessboard. So a philosopher is someone that is able to see new rules and new squares, and is able to extend the playground in which our understanding of nature takes place. So, my point is that this is science and philosophy. It is the adding of new squares to the chessboard. This is just playing a game, regardless of how smart and how difficult it might be. But this is not a good metaphor for science. Philosophy is adding new squares to a known game. And sometimes these squares are not even squared. They might be different shapes that nobody has been able to envisage so far. That's science or philosophy. This is not. As Schopenhauer said, talent is the capability to become the best player ever. But genius is the ability to see a new target, a new game. Likewise, being a good scientist is not playing inside a given 8 by 8 chessboard. It is rather by adding a new square to that chessboard, a square that nobody knew was there.